Hello and welcome back to Tech and EduSparkHub, where technology meets education. Starting from this playlist, we'll be creating a new project for each playlist in our PyCharm. Because it is under this new project, we'll be writing the codes we learn from each playlist. And this way, our learning will be more organized and efficient. And to create this new project, all we just have to do is to go to these three horizontal lines as seen. And once you click on it, you click on new project. And once you click on new project, on this Python version, make sure you are having the latest Python interpreter. And in my case, as at when I'm doing this video, I'm having the Python 3.13 interpreter. So it might be different in your own case. Just make sure you are having the latest Python interpreter on this Python version. And on this location, you can name it the H4 playlist as seen on the screen. And once you are done with this, you can just hit on the create button. And once it is created, you will have something like this on your screen. So this way we have created a new project for this playlist. And this is what we'll be doing for each playlist. And this way our code will be more organized and efficient. And to access the other lessons, you can just click on this H4 playlist up here. And once you click on it, you see the project that contains the previous lessons. And this way you can be able to access other lessons with ease and the code will be more organized. And in our next lesson, we'll be looking at the random module. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next lesson. And until then, keep learning and keep coding, and I will see you in the next one.